And now people are becoming more conscious of something ominous in the future here, because we're seeing unprecedented storms, global weather pattern changes, tremendous increase in earthquakes, uh, a population explosion that's gone exponential. People are in an age of famine today. As one man said, most of the people who have ever lived on planet Earth are alive on planet Earth today. Armageddon is not just a battle, it's a whole war composed of many battles, but it's named after a particular hill in Israel that sits on the main trade route that connected 3 continents in that land bridge that Israel sits in the middle. And according to Daniel chapter 11, verses 40 through 45, it gives the movement of troops, the movement of forces. The first move will be a tremendous invasion by first the southern powers, which are the Muslim powers, connected by the great power from the extreme north, which is Russia. And they will make a combined attack on the Middle East and Israel.
No, they're going to attack America.
And this will touch off 2 counterattacks, one coming from Europe and another coming from the East, coming from Asia. The Western forces led by Europe will wipe out the forces of Russia and the Muslims.
No, wrong.
And then the last part of this tremendous campaign,
Russia and the European nations are going to join together and attack Babylon, daughter of Babylon.
It shows how that there will be a tremendous loss of life.
Yeah, that's true.
You know, I don't know a specific date, but I believe we're already in the general time of
Yeah,
it.
you got that right.
The thing that will trigger Armageddon is already fermenting, and that is the dispute between the Muslim powers and Israel over who owns Jerusalem. But I think
none of
what's
them
unique
own
about today
Israel.
is,
We
first of all,
own
the most
Israel.
important part to all prophecy about the return of Christ and its nearness.
Yeah, he's coming. He's on his way. Very, very, very soon.
Scattered all over the world and persecuted.
It's not the land, it's his
With the rebirth
people,
of the state
dummy.
of Israel, May 14th, 1948, prophecy began a countdown, I believe. And then, for the first time in history, not just a piece or two of the prophetic scenario began to fit, but all of the pieces. Not only is Israel in place, but earthquakes did begin to increase in frequency and intensity. We saw a population explosion, which guaranteed famines. We do see a great increase in ethnic wars with each other.
Race wars.
We do see an increase in war in general. We do see global weather pattern changes.
Oh, yeah.
And what's important about this is they're all happening in concert, not just one at a time.
There were futures that Edgar Casey, to give you an example.
Now, brothers, you know, I don't know if y'all been paying attention. You probably have. There was an earthquake in Utah today. And another thing that maybe it didn't caught many of our people or the brothers in this truth, there was an earthquake in New York State near Syracuse about 3 days ago. I think it was Monday or Sunday. So because of the coronavirus, nobody's not paying attention. Oh, and there was a big tornado in Texas. So he's on his way, baby. He's on his way. Shalom, my brothers.